Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress store. First, you will need to secure a web host and a unique domain name for your business. Many hosting providers offer simple one-click installations for WordPress, making the setup process quite straightforward. After installation, choose a theme that visually appeals to your brand and is designed to work well with online shops. This foundational step is crucial for building a successful digital storefront. Once WordPress is ready, the next vital step is to install an e-commerce plugin. WooCommerce is an excellent choice, powering more than 1/3 of all online stores worldwide. It integrates seamlessly with WordPress, offering robust features for managing products, orders, and customers. After activation, you will configure essential settings such as your store's address, currency, and units of measurement. Now it is time to populate your store with products. You will add detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing for each item. Next, configure your payment gateways. Popular options include PayPal and Stripe, offering secure transactions for your customers. Finally, establish your shipping zones and methods, clearly outlining costs and delivery options for various locations. With products and payments in place, focus on customizing your store's look and feel to match your brand. Utilize your themes options or a page builder to create an engaging shopping experience. Before going live, thoroughly test the entire purchasing journey, ensuring everything works smoothly. Once satisfied, launch your store and begin promoting it to reach your target audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.